Hey everybody, BBN Adventures here. We're coming at you with park number 36, McMillen. They got a pool, they got a golf course, they got a community center, playgrounds galore.
And we also have a rainbow in the store and can have a Pokeball.
He does.
If
you watch your earlier videos, maybe you know where that's from. Anyway, we're going to go have some fun, so come along with us, why don't ya?
Park number 36, McMillen. We're going to start at the pool. Everybody ready?
Woo! Yeah.
All right, here we go. Woo!
They are. You going in? Here he goes. Here he goes. Come down. Oh, more. Okay. Kyle, you? Where are we going? Oh. You gonna do it? Sitting there.
It's first seat. Oh, a big drop. What do you think? What you got?
A big kind rock.
Can I see it? Can you show it to the camera, please? Oh, that's awesome. All right, what are you gonna do with it?
I'm gonna go hide it.
Okay, what happens if somebody finds it?
Come on down below. Find it.
All right, go hide. Thank you, buddy. Goodbye.
What do you got?
I got our fairy door, and I'm gonna find a tree to put it on right here.
Ooh, sounds good. Oh, there she goes. Oh, that tree? Nope, she can't make up her mind. Let's find a good one.
There it is.
Ooh, I don't like it.
We're all done here at McMillen Park. All right. He's ready. All right, we are all done here at McMillen Park. Park number
36.
36. All right, Camden, what was your favorite part?
Pool,
The
playground?
pool, the playground, the pool.
pool.
Emmett, what was your favorite part?
My favorite is everything.
Everything.
Of
Daddy?
course, everything.
Yeah.
Definitely the pool. The wading pool is great.
Yeah,
And
the pool is cool.
And the other park, everything.
Yeah.
Big park.
It's a big park. We didn't quite get to the indoor playground, but we might have to do another video for that one.
Stay tuned.
So, because there's a lot going on at this park. So much stuff. Such a big park.
Part 2.
Part 2. Alright, so comment down below and let us know what your favorite part of this park was. And thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell.
Ding!
For notifications on our next video.
And like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
That's
That's right. Alright, thank you. And
Thanks, guys.
we'll
Thanks,
see you
gals.
next time.
Kids.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Baby Adventures.
So please forgive my rudeness if I'm tripping over your time. But you look so amazing, and we can be so much more than